Introduction. Bamboo is a plant from the grass family, Poaceae, with approximately 50 genera and more than 1,300 species, native to all continents except Europe. You can see the map on the book below, which is available to all students, that you can find native bamboo from Peru to Japan, all around the world. Bamboo is naturally a material considered light, resistant, versatile, with physical and mechanical characteristics similar to wood. It can replace many materials in the manufacture of various products, and can be used in construction, architecture, and design. It is believed that this name is an onomatopoeia of the sound produced by the plant's bush when it catches fire. Bam, boom, bam, boom. The pressure of the heated air inside the bamboo causes the piece to expand, generating an explosion. The first fireworks were produced by placing gunpowder inside well-sealed bamboo and simply lighting the fuse to produce an explosion. Bamboo is an ancestral plant, its use having been described since the year 1600 to 1100 BC, as stated in Chinese writings. It has increasing importance for humanity, being known as the friend of the people in China, the brother in Vietnam, and the wood of the poor in India. The term, the wood of the poor, is mistakenly interpreted as if bamboo were a raw material intended only for the lower class of society. However, the true meaning of this phrase is that the plant is so easily accessible and has so many qualities that even less favored sections of the population in economic terms can have access to this raw material, unlike products made from wood, which in general are not always accessible to the low-income population. Planting bamboo also has great advantages, such as a shorter cycle than wood, high productivity per hectare, rapid growth, low planting cost, easy of cultivation, using simple tools, low maintenance cost as it is little susceptible to diseases and pests. It has an important aesthetic and landscaping function and can also help in the revitalization of degraded areas, post-fire recovery for example, and increase the reforestation system in Brazil, a country that has a large number of species of this plant and a climate suitable for its full growth and development. Bamboo is the fastest growing vegetable in nature. Its culms, as the sticks are called, reach their final length, which can exceed 30 meters in some species, in up to 6 months. It has a very great power of renewal, and after planting it sends out shoots annually, meaning there is no need to replant it. The selective cutting of mature culms carried out annually does not harm the plant's vitality, and also provides greater ventilation and sunlight for it, contributing positively for its development. Consider the plant of 1,000 uses among Easterners. Depending on the species used, bamboo can provide food, shelter, heat, household utensils, agricultural tools, handicrafts, and a series of other items, several of which have industrial applications, such as preserved edible sprouts, cellulose and paper, construction material, furniture, products based on processed bamboo and glued laminate, among others. Bamboo is also a kidnapper of atmospheric carbon, being a predominantly tropical, renewable and perennial crop. That is, there is no need for replanting, which makes it suitable for sustainable development. It is believed that a clump of woody bamboo is capable of absorbing up to 80 kilos of carbon per year, 2 tons per month per hectare, generating carbon credits, which are very important for the economic development of the location. Brazil is the country that has the largest natural bamboo reserve in the world. It's in the state of Acre and has around 70,000 square kilometers of bamboo forests, where the species of the Guadua genus are found, considered by experts to be one of the most suitable for construction. In addition to these, it is not difficult to find several Asian species spread throughout the country, brought by the Portuguese from their possessions in Asia. Dendrocalamus asper is the most common, and later by Chinese and Japanese immigrants, genera Sassa and Philostachys, who came to work in the coffee economic cycle. Depending on the region, bamboo receives other names, such as taquara, taboca, taquaruçu, taquari, canabrava, among others. Bamboo is the name given to plants in the subfamily Bambusoideae, from the grass family. This subfamily is divided into two tribes, the Bambusae, which are the bamboo called woody, or taquara, or taquaruçu, and the Olidae, the bamboos called herbaceous, or taboca or taquara mirim. It is therefore a giant grass, like corn, barley, wheat, sugarcane, among others, and is not a tree, as it is commonly characterized by most people. Due to the characteristics of its stem, it is considered a woody plant, classified as an angiosperm, since it has protected seeds and produces fruits, and the monocotyledons, which are plants that have fasciculated roots. To properly understand the potential of a bamboo, it is essential to know the distinction between its two forms of propagation. Group of the pachymorph, sympodial, or clumping, which develops in space in an agglutinated manner, forming thickets with the roots at the bottom. They are called pachymorphs because they are short and thick. They have lateral buds that develop into new rhizomes or new cones. They are species from tropical zones comprising, among others, the genera Bambusa, Dendrocalamus, Gigantocloa, and Guadua. The latter considered semi-crowding. They should not be planted close to buildings to avoid damage if they fall. Group of the leptomorphic, monopodial or spreading, develops in spaces in an isolated and diffusive way through cylindrical rhizomes, with a bud at its nodes which, once activated, produces a new cone or a new rhizome. They branch laterally, covering considerable distances and forming thick networks that can cover a distance of 1 to 6 meters in a year, forming a web that can reach 50 to 100,000 linear meters per hectare. They develop best in temperate zones, comprising, among others, the genera Arundinaria, Philostachys, Sassa, Semi-Arundinaria, Chibate, and Cinobambusa. One of the main precautions that must be taken when planting a spreading bamboo species is its containment, as it can disperse over long distances in an uncontrolled manner, causing problems with neighboring properties and the invasion of unwanted areas. The spreading of this bamboo can be controlled using existing physical barriers such as a dam or a wide road, using thick, buried dividing sheets, or creating a ditch measuring at least 50 centimeters deep and 30 centimeters wide. Bamboo is a plant that stands out not only for its beauty and versatility, but also for its potential to transform economies, communities, and ecosystems around the world. Taking advantage of the entire bamboo production chain is a notable example of how a natural resource can be optimized to generate economic, social, and environmental benefits. Economically, bamboo is a sustainable and low-cost alternative to many conventional materials, offering business opportunities ranging from cultivation to the manufacture of the final products. Its rapid growth rate and ability to regenerate without the need for replanting reduce costs and increase production efficiency. Furthermore, the bamboo production chain can create jobs in rural areas, boosting local and regional development. Socially, bamboo cultivation and processing can have a significant positive impact. Through the formation and training of local communities, it is possible to promote social and economic inclusion. Small farmers and entrepreneurs have the opportunity to participate in a growing market that values sustainability and innovation. This social aspect is crucial as it strengthens community cohesion and promotes a fairer economy. Environmentally, bamboo offers a number of advantages. As a fast-growing plant, bamboo sequesters large amounts of carbon dioxide and helps combat climate change. Its use reduces the need to cut down trees and contributes to the preservation of a tropical forest and other vital ecosystems. Furthermore, bamboo has the ability to improve soil quality and prevent erosion, promoting the health of ecosystems. Therefore, taking full advantage of the bamboo production chain is not only an opportunity for innovation and economic growth, but also a path to sustainable development and the improvement of social and economic environmental conditions. By integrating efficient and responsible practice, it is responsible to maximize the benefits of this natural resource and promote a more balanced and sustainable future for everyone. And he that sat upon the throne said, Behold, I make all things new. Book of Revelations, chapter 21:5. Each historical moment has its apogee only to be replaced by another that is better, cheaper, more durable, more beautiful. In Brazil, we have had several economic cycles, from pau-brasil to the recent industrialization that was disconnected from the environment. It is time to make all things new again, through sustainable economic and social development, and bamboo will be a key part of this moment.